I'm not that evil,
Wait,
I
Caleb,
swear.
Caleb. Come over here. I want to show Brandon something funny.
I want to go get
Brandon,
items.
check this out.
I
You
wanna
will.
go
Don't
see-
worry. Don't worry. Okay, calm down. All right, check this out.
Ooh. Yeah.
Brandon, look at Caleb.
Wait, no, no.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Caleb.
Wait, what? Oh. Oh. Oh.
Yep.
Oh, no.
How do I put stuff down? Crap, I can't put this down.
It's G. It's G.
Thank you, I forgot. Okay,
Yeah,
let's go
how
save
long is it?
Caleb!
Hold on, let me eat some more sunflower seeds.
Okay, addict.
I am an addict, and I love sunflower seeds. They're just too good.
Caleb, are you alive?
Oh yeah, I should be looking up. Oh,
What?
that's a turret. Right in front of us.
Anyone alive?
Hi, Caleb.
Hi, how are you doing? Where's that
Brandon, like a total fool, ran into the turret. Caleb?
turn? What?
Where are you?
I'm behind some walls.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna take Brandon back to the ship.
Go ahead. Whoa!
I'm sure he's fine. Brandon, if you're spectating me, sorry about throwing you under the bus. I thought it would be funny. Just like what I did to Caleb. I'm gonna do it again. I'm honestly gonna do it again. Am I spectating? Does he have stuff on him? He's not moving.
Hey.
Hey,
I'm
everyone.
back.
There might have been a turret that shot me behind my back.
Is that what killed you?
Yeah, there's a turret. Uh-huh.
So the red one's to go forward and the yellow one's to go out, right?
Yeah, should we buy flashlights?
Nah.
Yeah, sure.
No, why would we?
The only problem with... Oh, sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
The only problem with going in is that you could get trapped behind a locked door and then you're just stuck there.
That's true.
I mean, it'd be funny.
It would be... Yeah, it would be fun. Oh, you did get my shovel, right? Oh.
I can explain. So we've got some items showing up soon. I think we should focus on that and only that.
Okay.
Okay, we shall go though.
Nothing for you, Caleb. You didn't want a flashlight.
That's true. Anyway, okay, let's go. Hey, guys, it says main entrance.
Does it?
There's actually two. No, wait, there's one. Just me. Okay, I'll check.
Why is it so dark?
I don't know. Hey, key.
Probably over here.
Oh, I have a gift. Guys, I got a gift.
You got a what?
I got
Oh, don't open that yet. Don't open that. Open it on the ship.
Why not?
Because then it might be a two-handed item, and it'll be hard to carry.
Okay.
It just turns into a... What did I just tell you? Okay, but it's worth more. So that's very good.
So I guess we
Oh,
stick
that's a
together.
turret. That's a turret right there.
Oh, yeah, no, it is. That... Oh, dear.
Okay.
That's still pointing at us. It's pointing away now. Okay, I think we should go the other way.
So I can see loot.
Oh, yes, engine. Let's go.
Huh?
Oh, I'm gonna risk it.
Why?
I got an engine.
I hear a turret, but I don't know where it is. Where am I?
Oh, my inventory's full. Crap.
Did someone die?
I didn't die. I'm fine.
I'm fine.
You good?
Here,
Are you low?
Here. No, I'm fine. I didn't take any damage. Take that. I'm gonna get some scrap stuff.
I can't find anything up there.
Nothing up there? Okay.
Nothing.
And there's nothing over here either. Or is there? Oh yeah, there is. A gift.
Hey, there's the Axie thingy.
Oh, there's that. That's good. That's good.
It's already dark,
Oh.
so I'm just gonna take it.
Not, yeah, I guess.
It's already
That's
dark,
mine.
Caleb.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Brandon, you good? Nice. Brandon,
You got
go
a key?
searching more stuff.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me drop this stuff off.
Oh, wait, is it only a key? Or do you got something else on you?
I got
I'll teleport him randomly.
Teleport Brandon randomly?
Yep.
Okay. That seems funny.
Great thing I got my stuff.
I can explain.
Stop.
It's a very long cooldown. Nah, I could take it.
No. I'd rather not die.
Where'd he go?
He
Caleb,
went to the left.
left.
He went, yeah, he went that way, but I don't know where Brandon went.
Then look on the thing, Caleb.
I am looking at the thing. He's right there. He's next to us.
Brandon?
Yeah.
No, I think I just heard Brandon. I heard like a ooh noise. Oh, you. Oh. Hey!
I found two
Swear up.
keys though. Get him. Get him. Oh
We're
no.
not made in the image of God.
Come here, boy.
Yeah, kick some.
Yeah.
You aren't made in the image of God.
Strange that it still makes sounds when it's dead, but okay.
You good?
Yeah, we're good. We killed it.
Why is he just rolling around?
I don't know. Brandon, get back in the ship. The why are you still alive?
Who?
The bird thing me and Brandon murdered.
It's still alive?
Somehow.
Oh,
Beat
wait,
it to
what?
death.
Whoa. No. If I hear sound, no.
There. I'll do it again.
He went back in.
Remember me, you rat. Oi, you! You! Get back here. Yeah, you remember me, don't you? Oi! Back off! Get out of here!
Wait, should I do this?
Huh?
Look what?
Oh, that's embarrassing. Who the hell is Brandon? Brandon is... run, Brandon, run!
I'm trapped. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Hello?
Get in the damn ship.
Sorry, I'm trying.
Hurry.
Dude,
Battle's
dude,
dead.
I
He
should be
died
dead.
to the bird. He died to
Died
the
to the
bird.
bird?
You shut your...
Oh my
Let's
god.
go!
I got 2 keys for security.
Nice.
Dude, I'm so unbelievably stressed. I dodged
The
death
best part
3
is... Yeah, the best part, he was outside the store and died, and I just shut the door on him.
Okay,
I was
I
scared.
dodged a bracken. I dodged a... Somehow, the bracken was straight in my face, and I ran out of there as fast as I could. And also, there... I don't know, some other creature that was crawling its way towards me. And then, a giant almost got me twice. I had to
Nice. I
like
did
go back and forth, like in and out of the facility in order to not die.
He died to a simple enemy.
I was not at full.
Simple.
You died like a coward, Caleb.
What? I did not die like a coward.
You will die
I-
like a coward. You will die like the cowards you are, hiding in your shell. Whereas I withtook the wrath of God.
See, that's the thing between survivalist and person who doesn't want to live.
That's the difference between you and me, Caleb. I'm not a...
Damn.
Hey, Brandon. Good
Yeah.
luck.
Okay. Bye-bye.
How dare you?
You tried to do it to Brandon.
Yes, I did, but the cooldown's so long. Anyway, here's your flashlights. Hey, are you? No! No! No!
Great.
Enemies.
Go.
Okay, let's go. I
can
lost the
with you.
flashlight, by
Yeah,
the
let's
way,
go.
because you teleported.
We'll wait some time.
Hi.
Yeah.
That's a funny prank. Over here, Brandon.
I don't know.
I personally. Okay, I'll go through the fire exit. I don't have that mod on, so I'm fine. I don't have any mods on. I don't know how to do those. I'm not smart. Let's see if we can get one more thing before going back, because I know there's that thing. Alright, I'm heading back. Hey, Caleb.
I got some good stuff on me.
Do you now?
I got a full inventory.
Oh, that's cool. I
And
did
this.
too.
There we go. How's he doing?
I don't know.
He's alive. That's good.
How about they did an update where it like scans completely what's in the ship? That's annoying. Put it in like the middle, so as soon as he walks in.
I know there's another one though in here somewhere.
And then we'll just completely...
There it is.
Let's just completely deny that it's there at all. So have it be like a... Make sure it's impossible to walk through.
Oh, wait. I want that in. There we go. Yeah, you can hear it. He won't know, so.
And we'll just be like, Brandon, what the hell, man?
Is he?
What's taking you guys
Hey,
so
Brandon.
long?
Oh, what the hell, Brandon? What was
come
that?
on, Brandon.
Oh my bad. Oh my bad.
Okay.
My bad. I'm getting a little bit gassy, sorry. I get especially.
Oh, there's
gassy
something
when I'm
outside.
scared.
I'm starting. Let's start the ship.
Okay. There was a spider in there. I was wondering where you guys went.
I went for the fire exit because the bridge broke with me on it. Caleb, take that off. That's green face. Caleb's being racist.
Yep. So
Which I otherwise condone, but not.
that was a really good round, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Wait, is that the correct? I don't think so.
Oh, we have to go back and drop everything off now.
Caleb, stop giving my viewers a seizure. That's my job. What happens if I stand here?
You die.
No, well,
Unless
it's like
he's not going
You're fine.
he's not mad at us.
353. Yeah,
Are we short?
Yeah. That's what it says.
No, we're good. I mean,
6.
probably-
Oh no, we're fine. We're at 400. You guys want to go to one of the hard missions?
No.
Come on, let's go to one of the hard ones.
And then we all die.
No.
What the hell? Brandon, come
Willie?
on, don't you want to go to a hard one?